Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to fix Twitter cannot take post at this time. Please try again later problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Open on Play Store. Search Twitter. Update Twitter app. Go to phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Click on Twitter. Tap on storage. Tap on clear all data. Tap on OK. Swipe down notification panel. Turn on flight mode. Flight mode turn on just few seconds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.